So, hello Mugdha ma'am.
Hello.
Talking about culinary arts, I would like to ask you that how did the transition from being a professional chef to being a culinary arts professor happen? And how did that change your perspective towards culinary education?
First thing which I started was I got into IIT Mumbai. That was the first step of this culinary institute. I didn't know anything much about it, but I came to know after coming here. So I will definitely appreciate IIT Mumbai for whatever I am right now. And culinary arts is like we used to teach that time when I joined. It was 28 years back. We had a boss. We had a boss who used to put us into whatever department our department only, but all the places, so we could do everything. So that was the first thing we used to feel that, oh, he has put us into this, he has put us into this. But it was like a rotation also, and we came to know, मतलब सब कुछ पढ़ाने के लिए आ गया हम लोगों को. That was the second thing what our boss did. And then eventually how the things went out. So it was like we used to do, I personally feel that I used to do the work as it came. So it was a consultancy, I used to be there. As a lecturer, we used to be there. So it was like that.
So ma'am, now we see schools like Heritage helping students to actually learn life skills like culinary arts.
Yes.
And they are motivating other skills as well. So how important do you think that the education of culinary arts helps an individual to shape their personality?
It always helps, because this is the first thing, that first school I have seen where we are putting the students across the fire, I can say, because the age group is 9 and 13, 9 to 13. So the age group is small.
Yeah.
So I always tell the students that I don't even know at age of 9 whether I wanted to do culinary thing or what I wanted to do.
Yes.
But now the things, as they have progressed, like the social media and everything, the students are aware of what they're doing. So good. One thing is good, that they come to know and they're quite confident about what they are going to do. So the career gets built up in the brains at a very early age. So this is the school which always treats them. And I was talking to Shyansh yesterday. I said, why don't we do something else ahead?
Yeah.
Like about this culinary, cookery. So he said, we have that home science. So that cooking is a part of that.
Yes. So, and it's not just limited to people who just want to be a professional chef, but also it is teaching the students the life skill.
Correct.
They want.
Yeah.
In your opinion, education, culinary arts में education कितना importance होता है? कि एक होता है कि जो बच्चे खुद observe करके सीख लेते हैं घर से, नुस्खों से.
See, the competition here, what we have is, here it is the competition where the students are put up for the competition.
Yeah.
So here it is only cookery.
Yeah.
But the science behind the cookery is, or the science behind the this products and making the thing is, it is theory plus practical. So they should know about the theory also. Like for example, if you take a student is with the Thai curry and momos. So Thai means what? So Thailand. So Thailand, what are the ingredients available? What are common ingredients? What are uncommon ingredients? The historical effect, the geographical effect. So everything. So the thing when we teach the students, that is the international cuisine in the third year. So it gives about the entire history about Thai food. So Thai menu, what she is doing is just a menu.
Yeah.
But there it is the Thai, because why it is used, how it is used, in what respect it is used. So that is the thing which we always teach.
As an experienced educator in the culinary arts, what advice would you give to the new age educators? How important it is to have new skills into the curriculum and to teach their students different forms of education and not just the syllabus?
Yeah. So I would like to say that for the new educators who are the students, what we have right now. So I would like to tell them is, just be thorough with the information about, say, international cuisine. So Chinese, Spanish, Mexican, Italian, all these things are very important in the life. So as this is important, the Indian cuisine is also important. There are so many cuisines in India which are not, it is not touched or it is not explored. So just be thorough with this. So whatever you're teaching, it can be of 100%. Thank you.
Thank you.